Hi, I'm Karen Peterson and I teach in the English department. And I want to talk to you today about how to succeed in English, in particular writing, your freshman year. Often it's just the ability to believe you can do it that will help you succeed. Rhetoric, which is a fancy word, is just being able to analyze a situation and determine what is the best means of communication for that situation. So there's many different kinds of rhetoric in addition to written ones that you'll be studying while you're in college. But how do you do that? Well, your instructor will teach you through various assignments in 101 and 102 on how to analyze your audience, how to determine the best tools to use or appropriate tone to use in your papers. So be sure to read your prompts carefully. Make sure you see who your audience is supposed to be. Make sure you follow the directions and understand when an assignment is late for that particular instructor. And if you don't understand the assignment, you can hardly do it well. So if there are some questions you have on how to achieve it, you need to go to your instructor and ask if there's some more examples of this type of essay that the instructor thinks was done well. We have many different student essays that a whole committee has decided is done well in the particular form that you're asked to do in your prompts. And you'll find those in our LB brief that you're asked to buy and keep for both English 101 and 102. We also have the writing lab, which is run by our graduate students and trained professionals, that's located in Alpha Hall East. You can go there with your prompt, old papers, an assignment that you're trying to work through, or even just to brainstorm ideas and get one-on-one help with students who will guide you through. They've seen all these prompts before, know what to look for. They also can help you with mechanical problems that you might have. But gone are the days of the 5-paragraph essay that you may have been taught to write in high school. Now your college instructor wants you to adapt your writing for the situation, to be specific, to use the appropriate tone. We grade on a rubric. We're looking for good structure, organization, mechanics, development and support. All of these are clearly elaborated on in your LB brief. But if there's ever a point you don't understand what an assignment is about, take the time to go to your instructor, get to know the instructor and what the instructor is looking for in each paper. And when you get a graded one back, be sure that you understand the comments, the errors that are marked, because if you don't understand your errors, you can hardly get rid of them. And the same will go true for your literature classes that you're faced with your first 2 years. Don't give up, have confidence in yourself. You may not think you like a particular genre like poetry, but give it a chance, read it through, even if you don't think you're understanding anything, because often the class discussions, the lecture will bring it all together, but it won't happen unless you read the material. Reading and practice writing are the best ways to improve both skills. There's no magic formula for how to write well. It takes practice, it takes reading a lot of materials and having that kind of impact on your spelling and mechanics and your thought process. But you've got to make that effort and believe you can do it to be a successful student. And if you ever have any trouble understanding or you have questions on how to get through an assignment, make sure you see your instructor, ask questions, because the instructor knows that you care and you want to do well, and that will make a big difference because you can do it.